Welcome to the Whiskey Creek Railway. With Hurricane Helene, we had a lot of damages on the trees, and right now we are trying to remove a tree without destroying the little railway. So what they did is that they have installed a zip line so that the main portion of the tree can go over the train track and the backyard. So you are going to see, it's very interesting how the trunk is floating above the train track. And right now the guy has a little bit of issues because the blade of the chainsaw is stuck in the cut. So he's trying to remove it. But if you look at the top of the trunk, and let me zoom it, it's already linked to the zip line. And they are going to try perhaps to pull it. Here we go. And here we go, up, là. Fantastic. And that, of course, saved the train track by not falling on it. Wow, good job, guys. So that will be my update for the month of November. Wow, you guys are fantastic! Lot of knowledge here. Thank you very much for watching this video, and there are many more updates of the Whiskey Creek Railway. But I thought that this one is fairly cool, especially you see a lot of telecabin, not sure how you say that in American English, but especially with train layout going up the mountain. So I thought that it was interesting to have a zip line above the train track.